Welcome to my YouTube channel Meditech and Others. State Medical Faculty of West Bengal, August 2010, final examination for Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology. Select the correct answer. Question number 1. Heller's nitric acid test of urine is done to detect. Answer is option B, protein. Option B, protein. Question number 2. The microtome used for routine histology is, answer is option B, rotary microtome. Option B, rotary microtome. Question number 3. Wall can be used as a clearing agent except, answer is option A, ethanol. Option A, ethanol. Question number 4. Routine histological section are cut at, answer is option A, 3 to 4 per unit measurement. Normally যেটা হয়ে থাকে 3 to 4 per micrometer, যেহেতু micrometer ইউনিটে নেই, অ্যান্সার হবে এখানে 3 to 4 per unit measurement. Question number 5. Anticoagulant used for ESR, answer is option C, 3 to 8% sodium citrate is to blood equal to 1:4. Question number 6. Urine sample required for quantitative estimation of protein is, answer is 24-hour urine. Option D. Question number 7. Salaha needle is used for, option B, bone marrow aspiration. Answer is option B, bone marrow aspiration. Question number 8. Drafting solution contains all the ingredients except, answer is sodium citrate. Question number 9. All can be used as a decalcifying agent except, answer is option C, sodium hydroxide. Question number 10. Specific gravity of urine can be measured by, option C, urinometer. Answer option C, urinometer. Question number 11. The strength of formaldehyde in 10% formalin. Answer is option C, 4. যেহেতু ফর্মালডিহাইডের কনসেন্ট্রেশন থাকে নর্মালি 40%, যখন ওই 40% ফর্মালডিহাইড 10% ফর্মালিন তৈরি করা হচ্ছে, সেক্ষেত্রে 40/10 ইকুয়াল টু 4%. কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 12. হুইচ অফ দ্য ফলোয়িং ইজ নট অ্যান alternative embedding medium? Answer is option A, rubber. Question number 13. Any waste with potential threat to life is called, answer is option C, hazardous waste. Question number 14. Which is needed for performing direct comb test? Answer is option A, patient RBC. Option A, patient RBC. Question number 15. All are used to stain peripheral blood smear except, peripheral blood smear এর জন্য যে স্টেনগুলো নর্মালি ইউজ করা হয় সেটা হচ্ছে জেমস স্টেন, লিসম্যান স্টেন এবং হচ্ছে ফিল্ড স্টেন, কিন্তু রেটিকুলিন স্টেন করা হয় না। অপশান ডি, রেটিকুলিন স্টেন। নেক্সট, হুইচ অফ দ্য ফলোয়িং স্টেটমেন্টস আর ট্রু অর ফলস? Question number A. Venous blood is taken for BT. BT means bleeding time. Answer is false. Next question. Iron pigment is stained by Prussian blue. Answer is true. Question number C. Reticulocytes are stained by supravital staining. Answer is true. Question number D. Esbach reagent contains acetic acid. Answer is false. Question number E. Triple phosphate crystal are found in acidic urine. Answer is false. Question number F. Celestine blue is an alternative for hematoxylin. Answer is true. Question number G. Leishman stain contains methylene blue and eosin Answer is true. Question number 8. Glacial acetic acid in WBC fluid is used as an antifungal agent. Answer is false. Question number I. Hemolytic disease of newborn is detected by indirect Coombs test. Answer is true. Next question J. Melting point of paraffin wax used for impregnation is 60 degree centigrade to 62 degree centigrade. Answer is true. Next, December 2010 supplementary of final examination. Question number 1. Western green pipette is used for estimation of. Answer is option C, ESR. Question number 2. Ketones in urine is detected by Rothera's test. Option B. Question number 3. Cleaning of laboratory glass wires can be done by water. Option B. Question number 4. For performing ELI cell test, answer is option C. Cells from Buffy code is taken. Question number 5. Drafkin reagent contains. Option B. Potassium ferrocyanide. Question number 6. Mounting of histopathological section done by EPX. Question number 7. Lipids in tissue are stained by all of the above. টিস্যুর মধ্যে যে লিপিড থাকে সেগুলো স্টেন করার জন্য সুদান ব্ল্যাক বি, ওয়াইল্ড রেড ও অসমিয়াম টেট্রাঅক্সাইড এগুলো ইউজ করা হয়। কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 8. ওয়াকাল ব্লাড টেস্ট ইজ ডান বাই। অ্যান্সার ইজ এ, বেঞ্জিডাইন টেস্ট। Question number 9. Prothrombin time reflect the integrity of. Answer is B. Extrinsic pathology. Question number 10. In thrombocytopenia, there is. Answer is prolonged CT. Answer B. Question number 11. Hemophilia A is characterized by the following except. Answer is option D. Reduced fibrinogen level. Option D. Question number 12. Fauci's test of urine is done to detect bile pigment. Answer is option A, bile pigment. Question number 13. Periodic acid sip stain helps in detection of lymphoblast. Option A, lymphoblast. Question number 14. All rods are found in myeloblast. Option C, myeloblast. Question number 15. MCV in megaloblastic anemia is. Answer is 110 femtoliter. Next, which of the following statements are true or false? Question number 1. Red cell indices are used for morphological classification of anemia. Answer is true. Leukocytosis means decrease in total leukocyte count. Answer is false. Question number 3. EDTA is the anticoagulant of choice in blood transfusion. Answer is false. যে ব্লাড ট্রান্সফিউশনের জন্য অর্থাৎ ব্লাড ব্যাগে যে অ্যান্টিকোয়াগুলেন্ট ইউজ করা হয়ে থাকে সেটা হলো CPDA 1 অথবা CPDA। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন. রেটিকুলোসাইট আর স্টেন বাই সুপ্রাভাইটাল স্টেনিং. অ্যান্সার ইজ ট্রু। অ্যান্টিকোয়াগুলেন্ট অফ চয়েস ইন ESR estimation is 3.8% sodium citrate. Answer is true. Next, bile pigment is found in urine in hemolytic jaundice. Answer is false. High power objective of a microscope is used for detection of malaria parasite in blood. Answer to false. Question number 8. Picric acid is a constituent of HVAC reagent. Answer is true. Question number 9. Formol saline is a routine fixity for tissue. Answer is true. Question number 10. Decalcification of bone is done by acetic acid. Answer is false.